How to remove a background noise in CapCut PC. So if you want to remove a background noise in your CapCut PC, then what you need to do is you need to simply open up a video, any video that you are comfortable with, and I'll be choosing a saved project. So I think this has been expired. So for example, I'll be choosing a project. You can simply go for new project, and then you can import something. Once you've imported, drag and drop that to the bottom. And if you want to make the noise cancellation, or if you want to reduce the sound on CapCut, then what you need to do is first click on that video or choose the video. Once you choose, you can go for the upper side, and here you will have a bunch of options. Go for the audio option, and under your audio you can adjust your volume, you can choose the fade in, fade out, and now what you need to do is click on normalize loudness, and then again scroll down, click on reduce noise. And once you've chosen these two settings, your noise will be automatically reduced. Or that's how you can remove the background noise in CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.